I look cute. Thank you, Papi. OMG. Thank you, Papi. Oh, thank you so much. You're giving me too much. It's just so many. Hi, Tarzan. Thank you, Papi. You're spoiling me. So I have to hear my shorts. I also thrifted this. It's kind of nice. It's like you're so gorgeous. Thank you, Papi. Thank you so much. It's like below the knee length. I kind of like it. I just might wear it with this, but nah. Just kind of bring it with me. Yeah. And I'm still thinking about if I'm gonna bring this polo. Mm. Bless you guys. Hi Doji. Hi Bryce. Hi guys. Hi. Thank you so much, Papi, for the gifts. I think that's just it. I think I need to go because I'm still gonna fix my food, my things. I can't take you guys with me fixing my things because I need to go out there and I camera would be so very shaky. I have to go to work, but next time there will be more. Okay, you take care, Papi. I think I'm gonna go too. Thank you so much for the gifts, Papi. You take care. Bye bye. I'm gonna go too. I'll be leaving. So, thank you guys for staying in, even for just teeny tiny time. Thank you so much, Papi, for the gifts, and Dorian Gonzalez. Thank you, Axel. Thank you guys so much for staying in. I'll make sure to chat with you guys longer the next time I go live. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Oh, it's taking too long. I still have 7 seconds. Yeah, I think